Hello students, exercise 1.2 problem 3. The introduction of this chapter 1 video link I have given in the description. You can click and check. In an election, successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes. It's an in the Indian place value system, right? Votes and his nearest rival, that is the opposite candidate, secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did successful candidate win the election? So they have given successful candidate voting count is this much, okay, and the rival candidate voting count is this much. Now we have to find out who wins the election and in what difference they have win the election. That's the content we have to given in the question. That's the content given in the question. So first write solution. First, number of votes secured by successful candidate. That is secured by successful candidate. That is equal, it is given in the question as 5,77,500. So 5,77,500. Next, number of votes secured by the rival. Next, number of votes secured by rival. That is equal to 3,48,700. Now we have to find by what margin did successful candidate win the election. So who is this? This is the successful candidate voting count. So by what margin means I have to subtract these two numbers. If I subtract means I will get the answer. So I have to subtract. I have to find the difference. Difference means subtraction. So margin by which he won the election. That is equal to, if you subtract these two, you can get the answer. That is 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. I can't subtract 5 minus 7, right? So I have to borrow. This will become 15, this will become 6. Again, I can't subtract, so I am going to borrow 16, and this 7 will become 6. Basic addition subtraction video link also I have given in the description. You can click and check. Okay? So 15 minus 7, 8. 16 minus 8, 8. 6 minus 4, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. So the answer is 2,28,800. So the answer, he won the election by, he won the election. That is the successful candidate won the election by 2,28,800 votes. Next problem. Problem 4. Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in first week and books worth rupees 4,768 in second week of month June. Okay. How much was the sale for 2 weeks together? Two questions they have asked. In which week was sale greater and how much? First I have to find 2 weeks together sale. Next, in which week, that is in first week or second week, which week the sale is greater and by how much difference. Okay, this much I have to find out. So first you are going to write the solution what is given in the question. So price of book in first week. First week it is given as 2,85,891. So next, price of book in second week, 4,760. Now I have to find 2 weeks together. First and second week together. Together means addition. Okay, so I have to add these two numbers to both weeks together. Normal addition. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. So 1 will get carry over here. So 8 plus 7 plus 1, 16. 1 will get carry over. 1 plus 5, 6, 8. So both weeks together 6 lakhs rupees, 6 lakhs 86,659. Okay, for this one, first question, this is over. Next, in which week was sale greater? This is the first week sale, this is the second week sale. Which number is greater? See, here I am having 2, here I am having 4. So which week is greater? Second week is greater. So sale greater in second week. So second question answer is also over. So first, this is the first question answer. And second question answer, by which week sale is greater? So sale of book is greater in sale of book greater second week. Greater in second week. Next third one. And how much? How much means I have to find out the difference. So difference. Difference in sale in both weeks. Difference in sales of both weeks. That means you have to subtract this two set of numbers. You will get the answer as 1,14,877. So the answer is the first question, both weeks together. The answer is this one. Sale of book. First week is greater, second week is greater. We have checked it is second week. Now difference in sale in both weeks. By how much? So difference in sale. 1,14,877 rupees. So if you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe my channel, share my videos. Thank you.